On with us. We have now visuals, live visuals coming in at this point in time from outside the parliament. Remember, both the houses have been adjourned till 2 p.m. today, and the visuals that we're tracking from the parliament moments before the protests are to take place. We can see Rahul Gandhi over there, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also standing right next to him. Mallikarjun Kharge right behind Rahul Gandhi. We are moments away from these protests that are expected to take place. Remember, both houses have been adjourned till 2 p.m. This is going to be a complete showdown. In solidarity, the Indy Bloc MPs are wearing a cap as well. Those protests are slated to take place very, very shortly. And we can see the Indy Bloc MPs over there ready to march from the Parliament House to the Election Commission of India headquarters. Anytime soon, this protest is going to take place. They have placards in their hands as well. It has been a complete washout. Day 16 of the parliament, so far it has been a complete washout. We are now moments away from the protest kick-starting, but for now all the parliamentarians, all the MPs have now gathered outside the parliament building at the Makar Dwar, where this process of these protests are expected to take place. We can of course see all the parliamentarians, all the MPs right over there wearing caps, ready to protest outside the Election Commission of India. The voter list showdown is now going to begin anytime soon. Anand, these are the visuals that are coming in at this point in time from the Makar Dwar in the parliament. Rahul Gandhi, of course, they're walking now and expected to lead this march anytime soon. We are tracking those visuals very closely. Right, of course, you can see those visuals there. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also standing in solidarity with her brother. Expected to start anytime soon. The opposition is going to be marching towards the Election Commission of India. Anand, what more can you tell us at this point in time? We can see all the parliamentarians standing there together. The march is now kick-started. They are going to be making their move towards the Election Commission of India as this voter list showdown now kick-starts. What more can you tell us?
All the opposition leaders, especially Congress President, who is also the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, his sister and Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and several top leaders of the India Bloc Alliance. They have started their march from the Makar Dwar, and soon they will be coming towards this Transport Bhavan gate of the Parliament. As you can see, there are several of the paramilitary personals over here from the CRPF, the Rapid Action Force, that is the RAF, Delhi Police, and a lot of barricading has been done over there so that they are not allowed to go march towards the Election Commission, as the Delhi Police has not given them permission for any kind of march. But the opposition leaders are adamant that they will march till Election Commission over this issue of the alleged vote theft. And as you can see, I will just ask my Vijay to show you that how the Delhi Police has brought up several of the buses over here. If the opposition members try to cross the barricading over there, then they can be detained and taken to some of the police stations over here, as there is given to them to pass from the parliament premises to the election commission, even as the election commission has given
in terms of a space over there. So clearly, this is going to be a flashpoint between the opposition leaders, that is from the 25 opposition parties. They are the members of the India Bloc who have planned this massive march in the national capital as a show of strength, as a show of unity to take on the NDA-led government as the center, even as with the Election Commission and the BJP-led central government. So clearly more buses are coming, as the Delhi Police has arranged more buses so that even if many of the opposition members they try to cross the barricades, then they can be detained over here. So clearly this is going to be a major flashpoint today, Asawari, as the opposition members are not ready to go back from their demand, as they are adamant to meet the Election Commission over this issue of massive vote theft during the last year Lok Sabha elections. So clearly this is going to be a very spoil day between the opposition and between the Election Commission, as both of them are coming face to face after Rahul Gandhi has made the allegation. So this is the first time that Rahul Gandhi is going to meet the Chief Election Commissioner Ganesh Kumar and also the two other election commissioners over there. So clearly even as the election commission has maintained that Rahul Gandhi-
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, we've been trying to figure out what's written on those caps that all these opposition leaders are wearing in solidarity with, of course, this row that Rahul Gandhi has kick-started. We have that visual with us. It says Bihar, in fact, SIR, vote chori, and they've put a cross on it. Those are the caps that the opposition MPs are wearing right now. These visuals that we are exclusively tracking from the parliament. This cap is, of course, in the hands of Karti Chidambaram. And, of course, these protests are expected to kickstart anytime soon. So this, you know, again, Anand, we get a sense of the fact that this protest that is now going to kickstart has been well planned. It has been something that has been in the making for some time. Anand, over to you.
Yeah, sorry, look, the opposition members, especially from the India bloc, they have been wearing a cap alleging the vote theft, and they are also carrying several of the placards, and they are raising slogans that how election commission was hand in glove with the BJP over this issue of the vote theft. So clearly, the election commission has given them time to meet, but the opposition members have come prepared as they have announced in advance just on August 7 that they are going to hold a massive protest against the election commission, and they will be holding a march from parliament to the election commission over here. So clearly, the opposition members have came prepared with several of the caps that mention the vote chori, and they stand united to oppose this kind of vote chori that had taken place last year during the Lok Sabha polls. So clearly, all the opposition leaders are now targeting the election commission that how this massive vote theft happened in the Lok Sabha polls, which led to their loss in the Lok Sabha polls by a very thin margin as the united opposition, that is the India bloc. They came to 240, just 32 numbers behind the majority mark, whereas the NDA led by the BJP with Prime
Absolutely,
Minister Narendra Modi
Anand, you know, as we speak now, officially the march has kick-started. My colleague Manohar Kesri is with us on the broadcast. He's reporting live from the Parliament building itself. Manohar, बहुत सारे ऑलमोस्ट 300 एमपीज अभी मक्कर द्वार के बाहर से प्रोटेस्ट शुरू कर रहे हैं. राहुल गांधी जी भी वहाँ पे हैं. आप अभी पार्लियामेंट हाउस में हैं, हमें क्या बता सकते हैं वहाँ पे?
देखिए, बिल्कुल मकर द्वार से प्रोटेस्ट चुनाव आयोग की ओर जो है शुरू हो गया है. मकर द्वार पर सारे सांसद जो है अलग अलग पार्टियों से इकट्ठा हुए और उसके बाद वो आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि सभी सांसदों के हाथ में अलग अलग तख्ती, बैनर, पोस्टर हैं और वो कह रहे हैं कि एफआईआर को वापस लो या एफआईआर दर्ज करो. इस तरह की घटनाएं और लगातार ये आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरह से लगातार आज 16 दिन है और पार्लियामेंट नहीं चल पा रहा है, चाहे लोकसभा की बात हो या राज्यसभा की बात हो. दोनों आज ही 11 बजे शुरू हुआ और उसके बाद दोनों सदन को 2 बजे तक स्थगित करना पड़ा. और अब यहाँ से इंडिया ब्लॉक की जो मार्च है वो आगे की ओर बढ़ता जा रहा है, चुनाव आयोग की ओर बढ़ता जा रहा है और इसका रूट है ट्रांसपोर्ट भवन होते हुए चुनाव आयोग की ओर जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि पहले विजय चौक होकर के जाना था, लेकिन अब उन्होंने अपना रूट बदल लिया है और अब चुनाव आयोग की ओर पहुंचने के लिए ये यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि लगातार चुनाव आयोग की ओर से भी कहा गया है राहुल गांधी को कि आप जो है तो अपना जवाब दाखिल करें, आप अपना डिक्लेरेशन दें या फिर माफी मांगे, लेकिन राहुल गांधी को मानने को तैयार नहीं है. अखिलेश यादव कह रहे हैं कि लोकसभा चुनाव में और उत्तर प्रदेश में भी वोटों की धांधली हुई है और लगातार बैनर पोस्टर लेकर के आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. जी
मनोहर, ये भी बताइए हमको, 300 ऑपोजिशन एमपीज इस प्रोटेस्ट में हिस्सा लेने वाले हैं. उनमें से जो सबसे प्रोमिनेंट फेसेस है वो कौन है? हम राहुल गांधी को देख सकते हैं, प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा को वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, खड़गे जी भी वहाँ पे अभी शामिल हैं, जयराम रमेश जी को भी हमने देखा है. और कौन से हैं, यू नो, फ्रॉम द इंडी ब्लॉक स्पेशली?
देखिए, बिल्कुल अगर हम इंडिया ब्लॉक के प्रोटेस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो इस प्रोटेस्ट में राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी, जया बच्चन, अखिलेश यादव, फिर टीएमसी की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो सागरिका घोष हैं, सेन है. इसके अलावा बंगाल से जो टीएमसी के सांसद हैं वो शामिल हैं, डीएमके के सांसद इसमें शामिल हैं. तो जो इंडिया ब्लॉक के तमाम घटक दल हैं, लेफ्ट के सांसद शामिल हैं, सभी लोग इसमें शामिल होकर के चुनाव आयोग की ओर आगे बढ़ना शुरू कर दिया है और इनकी यही मांग है कि एफआईआर को वापस लिया जाए, लोकतंत्र की हत्या है, क्योंकि इनके पास जो बैनर पोस्टर है उनमें साफ साफ से लिखा हुआ है कि लोकतंत्र की हत्या जो है संविधान की हत्या है और इस तरह से इसे वापस लेना चाहिए। लाखों लोगों का नाम काट दिया गया है बिहार में, तो इस तरह की लगातार मांग की जा रही, चाहे आरजेडी हो, चाहे कांग्रेस हो, चाहे टीएमसी हो, चाहे डीएमके हो या कांग्रेस हो, सभी पार्टियों के सांसद इसमें शामिल है।